In Tokyo, Japan, there was a restaurant whose elderly waiters and waitresses all suffered from varying degrees of memory loss. It was the brainchild of Shiro Oguni, who had visited a group home for adults with dementia and thought that their isolation was kind of heartbreaking. He reckoned there really ought to be room to keep them included in society, so he created the Restaurant of Mistaken Orders, where the waiters and waitresses were all struggling with memory loss, but were nevertheless performing a job that required very good memory. And yes, 37% of the time, the orders were wrong, but 99% of the time, the guests left quite happy. Of course they did. There's a very old folk tale about a woman who would carry water home every day from a river, using 2 buckets at either end of a bamboo pole. And one of the buckets was new and solid, and the other was much older and had developed some small leaks. And when the woman would finally get the buckets home, the new bucket would still have all of its water, but the old bucket had lost almost half. And the old bucket felt very badly about this and apologized to the woman, saying how sorry it was that it could no longer do its job very well. So the woman turned and pointed back down the road and said to the old water bucket, "You see all those flowers growing on your side of the road? Every day you water those flowers, and my walk to and from the river is always filled with beauty." Oguni-san, お花をありがとうございました。